this out.
With the
Nerf gun.
Okay.
Oh my.
Let's see if it works.
Are you ready?
It's gonna really hurt.
Aim it right at the wall. Ready, set, go.
It's not working.
Oh, you gotta cock it back.
Here,
Somebody's gotta cook it. Here. Okay, hang on. Right. Yep, it's
Don't do it yet, don't.
Okay, ready?
Set. Go. Hello.
Wait a second, don't hold on to the string. Okay, yeah, go.
Did it work?
No, we had
I
it
think
the
you got it
wrong
too tight.
hole.
So what are we doing? Take two?
Wait a minute, you have to have your arm.
We're gonna do strike two. What's my car?
Okay, so you're pulling out a tooth.
What?
What's
Pulling
my
out your tooth.
left?
Hold on, let me get a good look at your tooth there. Open up. Oh, okay. Hold on, not yet, not yet. Okay, so listen. The Nerf gun didn't work.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna try it with the remote.
To a car.
3, 2, 1, go!
Did you get it?
Stop.
I think it just pulled off.
Oh, narts.
It didn't work?
It didn't work. It
Let me
didn't
see.
work. It didn't work.
Ooh, it made it pretty loose though. Should we try again?
Let me feel.
Whoa.
Is it loose?
Let me see.
What's that moving?
Oh, minus.
Oh. Yep. I
Okay,
think.
come here.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
Maybe being really, really brave.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're being very brave, May.
I had my tooth out before May.
Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, it's coming in nicely.
Yep.
Okay, wait.
All right, get your arm where it needs to be.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now this is take two
Yeah. No.
because the first time,
3.
well, it's sort of take three since it didn't work on the Nerf gun. All right, are you ready?
12 seconds later.
3, 2, 1, go!
Get it?
No.
No. Oh man. Can we
Bring it back.
try?
Let's try again.
No, we're ready. Right?
Okay, take 4. Let's try this again.
What's up?
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Daddy, are you ready? Don't touch it. with your
I'm ready. Keep looking at the ceiling.
Look at the ceiling.
Okay,
Ready? Set.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ew.
The string.
Ouch.
Brave face. Look up in the air. Okay, open your mouth. Ready?
You ready?
Set. Go.
Where'd it go?
Oh my.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
Here, I need.
Hold on, don't move anything, Maya.
I need some.
We need to find it.
Wait, I thought I felt something.
Can I have like a tissue or something?
Yeah, we're.
Trying to find a tooth. Watch out.
Very smile. Look.
Look at what I found.
It's a tooth?
It's a tooth.
Daddy found the tooth.
Here, come here.
Wow.
What is that?
Oh.
Look at Daddy. What you got? Let me see. Open up. Let me see.
Ew.
Ooh, get it on your chin. Don't get it on your clothes.
Okay, bite down. Bite down.
How do you feel? Can I get a big thumbs up?
You
Okay.
got blood all over me.
What do you think, Maya?
Proud of you. Let me hold you.
What do you think about that?
I don't
You
know.
want to pull your next tooth like that?
Yeah.
May, you are brave.
Later.
That's 1,000.